In a forward-looking initiative that bridges finance and futuristic technology, the Nepal Remitters Association organized a groundbreaking workshop on generative AI for innovation in remittances business and operational efficiency on June 20, 2025 at Hotel Shankar, Kathmandu. The event commenced with a powerful welcome speech by Mr. Ratesh Mittal, President of Nepal Remitters Association, emphasizing the transformative role of AI in reshaping the remittance landscape. Adding warmth and vision to the gathering, immediate past. President Mr. Chandra Tandon formally welcomed the keynote speaker and reinforced the association's commitment to innovation. The session was inaugurated by Professor Dr. Sudan Jha, a renowned academician and AI expert who led an insightful workshop on practical applications of generative AI in the financial and remittance sectors. The event witnessed the participation of 98 professionals from top remittance companies, financial institutions, and banks of Nepal, sparking meaningful discussions and collaborations. As a token of learning and participation, a certificate distribution ceremony was held at the end, marking the successful conclusion of this impactful session. This workshop marked a significant milestone for Nepal's remittance and fintech industries, setting the pace for AI-driven innovation and collaboration. Stay connected with Remit TV for more exclusive coverage, expert interviews, and tech-powered transformations in the world of remittance.